Welcome to a new episode of Triggre Weekend Masterclass. In this episode, I'm going to show you how you can use the function make a text. Well, as you know, Triggre does some technical testing on your data. And that means that, if you have a number, we check if you actually fill out a number. And that also means that a number is a number and not a text. However, if you would like to, for instance, show it at the top of a page as a title, you have to change it into a text before you can show it. There are numerous other situations where you would like to change, for instance, a date or a number to a text. So you can make alterations to the output. In this case, in this episode, I'm just going to show you how the function works. And you'll find the situations yourself where you would be able to apply it. You can apply the make a text function to, well, actually every type of data that we have, except files, of course, to turn it into a text. So in this case, I have 3 examples: the change number to a text, so the number itself changes into a text, a date time, and also a true false value. And when I hit the make a text button, Triggre will automatically change it into a text. And I am showing you it in a form field so you can see that it's actually a text. Because, for instance, regarding this number, I can increase or decrease it by using these small arrows. I cannot do that in a text field. And the same with the date. If I click the calendar, I can change the date itself. So let's hit the button. And there you go. It's all text form fields, as you can see here. And you can also see that you have to keep some things in mind when you do this. So for instance, the number, we make it a text as it is. So the separation character is incorporated in the text itself. So that's why you see the commas here. The true false values are created as yes, no in this case. And the date time is, well, as you can see it here. So how did I do this? Let me show you in the designer. I'm going to go to the flow part right away. And when I say make a text, in this case, I had 3 inputs, namely a date time, a number, and a true false. And what I do is I create a calculation and I add the function make, or in this case, a number, a text, and that creates the text itself. And the same goes for the date time. So in this case, it's make the input a date time to a text, and true false the same. And in this case, I've chosen to put it into an output so I can show you the end result. But you can also, of course, save it at one of the records of your data item. Wait! Before you go back to working on your Triggre application, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next week!